Canon fam, welcome to vlog number 6, the first vlog of 2018, and it's gonna be an awesome year.
For those of you who are new to the channel, hello, my name is Abbas Khalili, this is Jayavardhan Kharbanda, and that's Anirudh Gupta, and we are Paper Plane Productions, a creative studio. And don't forget to hit that little subscribe button at the bottom, Adobe.
Okay, so as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we made some pretty hefty purchases and we really can't wait to get them all open. So let's get to it.
So the first product that we have purchased is the Joby GorillaPod. This in fact is the same GorillaPod that Casey Neistat uses. So Casey, if you're watching this, we're better than you.
Next
we've got the... This is a battery that we got for our camera. It's a spare battery. Yeah.
Next.
The next product we have is this big black
tripod that we bought from Weifeng, I'm not sure how you say it, but it's a lit video tripod. Next.
And we got this nifty bag from Canon to put all our shit in, including
this is our workhorse, and it is very, very expensive. At ease, gentlemen. So this bad boy right here is a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 24-105mm f4 IS2 USM lens. And it's time to go to the unboxed cam. That was a mouthful.
This is a mouthful. Alright cam fam, so this is our brand new Canon 5D Mark IV with 24-105 kit lens, and we are officially going to switch to it now as our permanent workhorse and vlogging camera in 3, 2, shalabala bing bing! And this, my friends, is our old 600D. Look at it. It is our baby. And we are going to miss it dearly. Actually, we're still going to keep it around for like back-end work and maybe like a B camera. So thank you 600D for all your help. But it's on to bigger and better things.
Anyway, today was the day we were supposed to test out the 5D Mark IV, and before we do that, we've got a couple of meetings, so why don't we step on that? So before we put this thing to its paces, we have a meeting at a pretty important place, and hopefully things go well.
So service ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ
We're here to meet Mr. Anil. Okay, so that was the meeting with Canon. I'm not sure if it was a good meeting or a bad meeting. It was something. Anyway, unfortunately we don't have enough time to test out the 5D today because we're about to lose light, but tomorrow we're gonna test out the 5D. Guys, so we were on our way to Vidhan Sauda to shoot some cool B-roll when, for some reason...
Can you not?
Why are you changing
my dude, businessman! Alright guys, so we've got the Canon 5D Mark IV out of the office and in the battlefield, so to speak. We're outside Vidhan Sauda and we're going to test the photo and video features of this camera. For those of you who don't know, the Mark IV can shoot 60 frames per second at full HD and has an inbuilt intervalometer, so we get the juiciest time lapses ever. But what am I doing talking to y'all about? How about I just show y'all, alright? wants a taste of our goddamn camera. Look at that weird ass bloody caterpillar. Sick. If it turns into a spider, I'm leaving this company right now.
I'm just gonna...
Caterpillars don't turn into spiders.
Whatever, man. Caterpillars are bloody weird. Take it!
Bye, caterpillar. Let's go.
What? Alright, Cam fam, so that is the end of the vlog. We are at Anirudh's place. You've seen it before. We're actually going to do some editing. We're going to edit this vlog actually, which y'all are going to see on Sunday.
Well, I guess today is Sunday now.
So for those of you who... Whatever, y'all will see it on Sunday. That's the work we're doing. And what's up, Anirudh?
So that's it from us, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button.
And subscribe if you haven't already, because we put up great content every single week, and we will see you in the next one.
The next one being not in Bangalore. Wink, wink,
What?
nudge, nudge.